Some everyday foods have been labeled unhealthy, but their real nutrition stories may surprise you. Nutrition myths often focus on one ingredient, while ignoring the food's nutrients, preparation, and overall dietary pattern. Let's explore 7 familiar foods, what they actually provide, and the smarter ways to enjoy them.
Wow!
Eggs were blamed for cholesterol for years, but their health impact also depends on your overall eating pattern. Eggs provide protein, vitamin B12, and choline, an essential nutrient used by your brain, nerves, and cells. The bigger picture matters. Pair eggs with vegetables and whole grains instead of judging one food in isolation. Bananas contain natural sugar, but they also provide fiber, potassium, vitamin B6, and other useful nutrients. Their carbohydrates make bananas a convenient food, while fiber helps make the whole fruit different from all sugary drinks. Did you know? As bananas ripen, resistant starch decreases, and more of the starch is converted into sugars.
Potatoes are often dismissed as just carbs. But this familiar food offers more than many people realize. Potatoes provide carbohydrates for energy, along with potassium, vitamin C, and some fiber, especially when the skin is left on.
How you prepare potatoes makes a big difference. Baked or boiled potatoes can fit well into balanced meals, while heavily fried versions may add extra fat and salt.
Corn is often dismissed for being starchy, but whole corn can still be part of a nutritious eating pattern. Whole corn provides carbohydrates for energy, along with fiber and beneficial plant nutrients.
The bigger difference is often how corn is prepared. Whole corn is very different from heavily processed corn snacks with added salt and fat. Dark chocolate is still a treat, but depending on the type and portion, it may offer more than just sweetness. Dark chocolate contains cocoa, which provides plant compounds called flavonols, along with small amounts of minerals. The details matter. A small portion of dark chocolate with more cocoa is different from eating large amounts of sugary chocolate candy. Peanut butter is calorie-dense, but that does not mean it has no place in a nutritious diet. Peanut butter provides protein, mostly unsaturated fats, and useful nutrients such as fiber and magnesium. Choose options made mostly from peanuts. Check for added sugar. And remember that portion size still matters. Frozen fruit is sometimes seen as less nutritious, but freezing does not automatically remove its valuable nutrients. Fruit frozen soon after harvest can retain nutrients well, and may be nutritionally similar to fresh fruit stored for several days. Choose frozen fruit without added syrup or sugar, and use it in oatmeal, yogurt, or balanced smoothies. Fresh and frozen both count. These foods are not automatically good or bad. Their form, preparation, portion, and the rest of your meal all matter. For packaged foods, compare serving sizes, ingredients, and added sugars instead of relying only on claims printed on the front. The smarter strategy is variety. Enjoy different nutrient-rich foods and build meals that work together instead of searching for one perfect food. Eggs, bananas, potatoes, corn, dark chocolate, peanut butter, and frozen fruit can all fit into nutritious eating patterns in the right context. The healthiest choice is not about finding one perfect food. It is about how foods are prepared, portioned, and combined in your overall diet. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Speakable Thing for more simple food facts and everyday health videos made easy to understand.